Hey, are you close to retirement and wondering if your asset allocation needs to change? Concerned about the recent gains in the market and wondering if at retirement you need to totally change your outlook to something more conservative? This is a normal question that we get all the time from clients. We work with lots of people who are approaching retirement age after a long career and years of disciplined investing. One of their biggest questions is about asset allocation. They want to know if they should change their asset allocation to something more conservative or to an allocation with more cash. First, let's talk about what is asset allocation. It's how you divide your money across stocks, bonds, cash, and even precious metals like gold or silver. Your allocation is a measure of your own personal appetite for volatility because each of these assets have different risks and potential returns. They can behave differently over time, and your specific allocation depends on how long you plan to keep your money invested, your need for cash or income, your goals, and your overall tolerance for volatility. So if you're retiring at 65, you might say, maybe I should change my allocation from 60% stock and 40% bonds and cash. Until you answer some of these questions, I'm not sure you can make that decision. So here are the questions that we would ask. What is your time horizon for using the money? Are you drawing on it as soon as you retire? Or are you not planning on touching it for 10 or more years, or even thinking about passing it along to your children? Taking a look at your time horizon can help build a plan for what your asset allocation should look like. People are also living longer and longer. If you don't have a family history of early death, you may need your assets to support you for 20 or even 30 years in retirement. That decision there will also factor into your asset allocation. And then finally, how much income do you need? Your assets may be able to easily cover your expenses with money left over. Your assets may also need to grow over time to sustain your needs. These are the types of questions that we need to talk with you about to help you make that decision. It's not a simple decision. It takes a conversation with your wealth advisor to help you get to a point where your allocation will help you meet your goals and needs. So if you want more information about this, visit our blog at morgawm.com/blog. There's a great in-depth article there that you can read about asset allocation.